Hey, and welcome back to EUC Learn Along. What we got today? Well, in the last video, I think we did BitLocker within Intune. Did some cool stuff with that. And I think before that, we kind of looked at FAS for Citrix. So we're kind of all over the place. But again, we're going to be all over the place. So I figured since we already set up uh, our certificate authority in this lab to use FAS, we're going to leverage that and do some certificates while I have it up. So yeah, so we're going to look at auto enrollment certs for devices and users. I've already created two, but we'll kind of walk through that process again anyway because I haven't fully tested it out. But I'm pretty sure it'll work. Anyhow, yeah, we want to secure our environment, and we want to use certs for authentication and stuff like that, maybe for network profiles. I don't know, radius servers. I think Microsoft has one, network NFS or something like that. Can't remember. Anyhow, we're going to look at the basics of creating these certs. All right, so for these certs, I just kind of clone what was already here, and it is documented in a Microsoft KB what to do. So for the user cert, you go over here to your templates. You can just right click on user, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Not too much you need to change. Give it a good name. I called mine auto enroll user and workstation because we're going to look at client certs too. Then I think you need to go to subject name. I think these are all checked by default, but again, they want UPN on, and build this from Active Directory with the distinguished name. And then for security, domain users. Ooh, did I miss auto enroll? Let me look at that. I may have missed that. Template, security tab, main users, permissions, allow. Ensure that enroll is selected, then select read and auto enroll. Read and auto enroll. Apply. Okay. Oops. And that's why I'm an idiot, because I was not looking at. Oh my goodness. I feel so dumb. Well, we don't need that. What was I doing? Because I already have it built over here. I was like, what is going on? I had a brain fart. Anyhow, in subject name, you have that. You can name it what you need to in general, or you can name it later. And security, you need read and auto enroll checked, which we should have over here. We named it. Got the options here checked, and for security, we have those checked. So we are good. All right, and then we're going to create one for workstations. All right, so they tell you to use this workstation authentication one. Again, just duplicate. Same thing, you can name it over here in general. Subject name. I think, yeah, this one you have to change to distinguished name, and I think that's all you need to do. You don't need to check anything else. And then security under domain computers, you need auto enroll checked. But let's look at what we got. That way I don't look like an idiot. Right, so we got subject name. Yep. So we just need to only change this. And then for security under domain computers, we have enroll and auto enroll. So we don't need the read. All right. So pretty simple steps again in the KB to set up. It's got the intended purpose. And then you need to go over to your CA, go down to templates. If we go to our actions over here and go to new, since we added these, which they're not going to show in here because I've already added them over here. So once you create those new templates, you'll just pick and hit OK, and it'll issue the template out to the CA. But we already have them. Yep. So we're good on that. So not too many steps to create this and then get it to your CA. So the next step is a group policy. I don't have it linked. Um, there we go. So again, I've already created this. No need to walk through that and watch me fumble through it and look dumb, but pretty straightforward. The computer configuration piece will be for the computer, and then we have a user configuration for the user cert. I did enable loopback since I'm using a user policy and computer policy that I'm going to link just to the computer objects. But make sure you have these settings enabled. It's exactly the same settings, but for whatever reason, the user cert looks a little bit different here at the bottom. But if we go to edit, there's nothing different about it. So you got your policies. What is it? Security, public key, auto enrollment. You just want to enable it. You want to check these two, and then you're done. Again, the same for computer. Security, public key, auto enrollment. Again, it's the same thing, but for whatever reason, the user is showing the extra stuff down here. All right, so we got a policy. We need to link it. I'm not sure what all I have in the endpoints, but let me check. And it's not going to hurt to deploy it to anything because right now we don't have it being leveraged by anything. Yeah, endpoint 1 and 2. So we'll do that. Oops. Link here. All right, and ooh, you know what? I'm gonna disable it real quick. So I'll log in. Check the stores for the certs. Kind of like how we did with FAS. Again, not interested in FAS, then you probably not know what I'm talking about. And then we'll check the CA to see it issue inserts. And since we got that linked, I'll close you. Close you. All right, we'll see that in a little bit. Oh yeah, and in the future, we'll look at some Citrix app layering. Yeah, messing with that. Cert. Can I type in cert? Uh, Cert. I don't know the command. I think it's cert lm for local machine. I don't know the user one. Oh, it went to the computer. I wanted to see the user. It's so slow. All right, so we got that one. Yeah, cert lm. That's right. I knew some stuff. Sear Motors. Saudi electric vehicles. All right, so we got our user store. We got our computer. We have nothing under personal. Oh, Citrix is updating. And we got a Unidesk cert for Citrix app layering. All right, so I'm going to enable auto enrollment. I'll reboot this machine. And we should restart, get some certificates. And maybe we'll tie this into looking at SCEP certificates out in Intune. That'd be something cool. All right. Let's log in and come over here. Let's refresh. Nope. Anything pending? Nothing yet. Well, I don't know if I'm going to have the ability to do this. GP update. Forgot I'm logged in as admin. Oh, there we go. Just need a little update. I don't think the user cert is going to be there until I log in. Pretty sure I need to log out and log in. Correct. Right, so we'll sign out. I got worried. I was like, what is going on here? All right. Come over to our CA. We should start seeing some stuff getting issued. There's our auto enrollment workstation. Oh, oh, whoa. User cert. Well, they got the computer, but it didn't get the user. Let me try one more time. This isn't working. Restart. Maybe I need to link it to the user OU. Alright, everything's enabled. I'm not blocking anything. Alright, I heard it boot back up. Maybe it's my account. Now we're just waiting. Nothing. I'm gonna try a different account. Other user. Citrix user. Let's try that one. Oh, it's logging in. Oh, Lord. And let's go to issued certs. Fresh. I don't think it's liking that. Find new. Call it. See. Along. Users. User. Maybe it's the loopback policy. Maybe I need to set it to replace. Oh my gosh. I need to set a policy for that. Pretty sure I didn't get the cert. Well, use this. I think it's under here. System, group policy. Let's try to replace. Restart. So we got everything set up right. Just need to figure out this policy. Let's look back over here. Still logging in. Nope. Alright, so we're going to do this. Pretty sure this isn't going to work. GP update. Pretty sure I need to apply this to the user. Alright. Sign out. Sign back in. That's going. Do I have any policies? Nope. I don't have to check here, but we're going to check here anyway. Alright. No good. Alright, so I thought that was going to work. So let's do this. So I created a user OU. Refresh. Here we go. I'm going to link auto enroll certs. I want to move you to here. Now let's try. This was going to be a short video, but I assumed wrong. Still not getting the cert. Hmm. Try this one more time before I make the big changes. Alright, let's log out and log back in. No good. Okay. Well, let's make these changes. Shouldn't be too whatever you want to call it. We'll copy, paste. Okay. We'll rename. Call this one user. Cert. What the heck? I don't know what happened. Alright, we're going to edit this. We'll leave the user stuff alone. We'll come over here. Turn this off. Not configured. And then we'll go to admin template system. Where was it? Not configured. Will remain you. My cert. Edit. Yeah. Not configured. And we'll go to policies, Windows, group policy. We don't need you. Close you. Device cert. Let's come over here to users. Delete. Link. Alright. Let's see what we got now. Again, pretty sure I need to log off and log back in. restart. Oops. All right. Why is this not working? I feel like I have something messed up. I got something jacked up. Well, let's do some troubleshooting. Let's see what I got in here for user. All right, security. Users. All right, let's see. Oh, I see. That's a very important thing right there. Well, that's why we troubleshooting. On the subject name tab, ensure the following items are not selected. Is not selected. Include oh my god. Sure that include email. Ah. Well, we're doing some troubleshooting. So everything I did with group policies out the door. I just wasted some time. Because I can't read. Alright, well, we got the template now. Let's go over here, back to our templates. We will delete this. We will create this one. And I think we're good. Man, I'm terrible. A terrible reader. So that has to be unchecked and email. Alright. Well, let's do it. Let's sign out. Sign back in and watch this thing work. Hmm. It's still not working. Oh, did it work this time? It did! Hooray! Why is it not showing up here? Let's refresh. There we go. Oh my goodness. We did it! Oh, I can't read. But anyhow, we got it working. We could go back and set our policy the way I wanted it. And I can undo all this crap. Man, I'm awful. Um, might as well, right? Let's just put everything back the way it was because this is not how I wanted this set up. So users, I want to move everything back. Move you back to users. I'm gonna delete you. I do got privileges. I just need to remove you. View, advanced features, property, delete. Where's the delete button? Refresh it. Oh my gosh. Man, buddy, oh pal. Rename. We'll call this certs again. Refresh. I deleted that. Edit. Man, I feel like a goober. All right, and policy here, system. This is why I'm a pro, because I have to redo everything 500 times. I call myself a pro. Configure user. Ooh, asynchronous. Can you find the group policy? It's somewhere. Oh man, I'm doing this for me now because I feel terrible. There's a loop back in here somewhere. Enable. Merge. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Someone's at the front door camera.
Oh. nobody here. There's nobody here for you. Refresh. All right, let me double check. Everything's looking good. But I'll close you. JP update. Man, I missed the. Microsoft needs to change their colors or something. I missed the whole box. Told you very two important details. All right, so we'll log in with our other account. We don't need to, but I need this. I need this win. I need this. Cert. So we should have our user cert. Oh, show. Yep. So nothing was wrong with our policies. Is kind of already knew that, but we did it anyway. Guess we can check over here. Yep. And we should still have our local machine cert. There we go. Phew. We did it. With a little bit of reading, we got it. But anyhow, we have auto enrollment set up for these two certs, device and user. There's different applications you can use them for, but anyhow, hope this helps you. Yeah.